How to fix Valorant error code VAL29, which says there was an error connecting to the platform. Please restart your game client. First, you will need to right-click on the Windows Start button and then open up Terminal or CMD or Windows PowerShell as admin. Those are pretty much the same. Then you want to type ipconfig space /flush DNS like this and then press enter. Then type netsh space winsock space reset and then press enter. And once this is done, you can close that window. Then you will need to right click on your network adapter on the taskbar and then click on open network and internet settings. And from here you want to click on change adapter options and then right click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter, the current one that you're using. Click on the properties window and then scroll down to Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Double click on it and then switch it from obtain DNS server automatically to use the following DNS server. And then you can use either Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8, or you can use the Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1, and then for the alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. And once you set it like that, you can click on OK and then OK again and wait for this to apply the changes. And now you will need to restart your adapter by right clicking on it and then click disable and then right click again and click enable and wait for it to enable the adapter. And then you can basically close this window. Next, you can also try to right click on the start bar and open the settings again and head to Windows Defender. So go to Windows Update and then Windows Security and then click on Virus and Threat Protection and then click on Firewall and Network Protection. And from here, try to disable the firewall temporarily by going to all the domains and disabling them one by one. Now, once you disable all the domains, you can try to run Valorant again to see if that solves the problem. And if the problem still persists, here's what you can do. Right click on the start button and then open up the settings and then search reset network or network reset. Let me type network properly. Network reset and then click on network reset. And then click on reset now, and this should basically reset your network and restart your PC. You might also need to restart your router before doing this, and once your PC is restarted, you should be able to connect to Riot client and play Valorant again. Thanks for watching and subscribe.